Hello again, my name is Rodney Reynolds and welcome to another video review. Today I'll be looking at the Vantec Stealth 470 watt power supply. What is included in this package are 4 screws, you get 4 twist ties, a power cable, a universal connector, and I'll go through what this is all about a little later on, and a manual and the power supply. This particular power supply has a peak wattage of 570 watts, and it does have a continuous wattage, of course, of 470. So that is what it's rated at. Now, how do they come up with these particular ratings? Well, first of all, you have to understand a thing called rails. And basically what rails are well-regulated transformers, and they convert your domestic current into voltages that your computer system can use. And there are basically 2 types of rails. There's a 3.3/5 volt rail and a 12 volt rail. And in this particular case, the 3.3/5 volt rail is 235 watts and the 12 volt rail is 336. And that's going to give you around a peak wattage of 570 watts. But remember, this power supply is rated at 470 continuous. And the 3.3/5 volt rail is responsible for such things as your motherboard, your memory, your PCI cards, your AGP cards, and so on. And the 12 volt rail is responsible for your hard drives, your DVD drives, CD-ROM drives, fans, etc. This power supply has a lightweight black casing. This keeps the heat down. It also has 3 temperature-controlled dual ball bearing fans. There's one right here, one right here, and one right here. And those fans can be set to 3 different settings. An automatic setting where the inside case temperature dictates the speed of the fans, and there's also a low and a medium setting here on the back. You can set it manually if you choose to. Also, it has a very handy AC outlet, an on-off switch, and right here is where the power cable gets connected. This power supply also has all kinds of connections. There are 10 Monolix connectors and 2 floppy drive connectors, and also connections for just about any kind of motherboard. Now, as for power connection, well, this has a universal connector, which you see right here, which is plugged right into the motherboard. You plug this into most standard motherboards first, then you go ahead and plug this into that universal connector. Now let's have a listen to how loud this power supply is at a low and medium fan setting. This is the low setting. And this is the medium setting. And of course you can set it to automatic. With 470 watts of continuous power peaking up to around 570, this power supply will have all the power you need to juice all of your hardware. Also remember, it has that nice black attractive aluminum casing, has an AC plug in the back, and also 3 fans. Overall, this product is kick-ass. Again, my name is Rodney Reynolds, and this has been another video review. Be sure to check back very soon. I will have a brand new one for you then. Also pop into my website at www.3dgameman.com, and while you're there, you can go into the forums, and remember, if you haven't already registered, registration is completely free. Until the next time, take care.